Welcome back to our channel, guys. I'm Faith
And I'm Sam.
and we're back again with another video. So in today's video we're going to be rating and trying some Venezuelan food from a business called, I think it's Criollos Food. This is in here. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today.
So before we get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe to see more of our content.
This was just a random buy. I was just on Facebook last night and I saw it and I was like, that looking real good, so I decided to try. So this was, I just have the phone here to look at information. This was combo number 2 and this has pastelitos, 1 chicken pastelitos, 1 cheese pastelitos, 1 minced beef pastelitos. I don't know what pastelitos is. Kind of know what an empanada is.
We'll find out.
Chicken, beef, and cheese empanadas, and 3 tequeños. You ever eat any of these things?
Nope.
Neither of you.
Never.
So this combo was $75, but they also have like the separate prices for them, and y'all can check them out on Facebook if y'all want. I can put the link in the description box. So we're going to be trying it and rating it. So let's get in. So we got this box. First off the bat, I thought it was going to be a bigger box because the box that I saw was like a big package. So this is the box here. It's supposed to have the 9 things in it. And then we got this sauce. It's like garlic sauce. It's garlic sauce. It smells good. Very authentic garlic sauce it smells like. Okay. So this is how it looks. So I'm guessing this is the empanada, the pastelitos, and this is the tequeños in the back here. Right? So that is everything that we're supposed to get. Okay, so we're going to try first.
Empanadas.
It smells very fried. Like, girl, like, go ahead. I don't know which one is chicken or beef or, oh, maybe we should try one because there'll be different fillings.
Okay.
So one each. Okay, so this is cheese.
Cheese.
So there's the cheese empanada.
Tastes like fried bacon cheese.
Yeah.
It's good.
With garlic sauce. Is it
Try
good?
Yeah, so this tastes like bacon cheese. It tastes very good. Just nice.
I found like the cheese too thick. Actually, it tastes good with the garlic sauce too. So what you would rate this? Out of 10.
I'll give this 7. 7.
I think I'll give it a 7 too, but I feel like I'll give the garlic sauce a 10. I feel like the garlic sauce hits it. It's hitting.
Yep.
So I feel like this one is either beef or chicken. Okay, so this is the beef. Oops.
Beefing it up.
I like this one. Beef tastes and seasoned.
Very seasoned. Let me try it with the garlic sauce.
Better?
It's very good.
In my opinion, an empanada is like a beef pie, or a chicken pie, or a cheese pie, you know? So we tasting the different, all three, because they have different fillings in it, right? So this one's the chicken, so we try the beef, we try the cheese. Oh, we didn't rate it.
We got 8.
Yeah.
Chicken time.
Cheers. What do you think?
It's good.
Chicken is the taste is very seasoned as well. Very saucy, it's not dry. I like that.
Yeah.
Like the chicken itself, not dry.
It's like a chicken pie.
Yeah, it tastes like a chicken pie. It's just, I think like the difference is that this is like cornmeal.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like that's really good. I'll give this an 8 as well.
Yeah. Good guy.
What do you think about the dough part?
It's nice. Dough nice.
It's a little oily.
Yeah. But
So I want to try this. The pastelitos, what do you think?
pastelitos.
So the pastelitos is the same filling, cheese, chicken,
And beef.
and beef, yeah.
Minced beef.
So I look different than the picture I saw for it though. Well, in the box that I saw, it looked different. So it probably should taste the same because it's the same filling. I don't know what's the difference. I thought pastelitos mean it was like me like pastel. You want this sweeter?
I don't find like this one different. What is new?
The same, just in a different shape.
Well, it tastes good.
It is good.
It's good.
So I think we'll move on to the taquinos because the pastelitos is the same filling as the empanadas, so it really makes sense trying, trying on hammer. So
The same thing. Same, all of them the same thing.
I don't know, they just say 3 taquinos, they didn't say what was in it.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
Cheese inside.
I feel like the cheese just extra cheesy.
Well, you know I like cheese. So it's good for me.
I feel like it's too cheesy. And the cheese kind of cold now because I guess they take a little while to deliver it.
Yeah.
So again, a cheese pull or anything.
I'll give this a 7. What do you think?
I feel like it's supposed to be hotter for the cheese to like pull out of it. I feel like maybe a 5. I find like the cheese is overbearing. For me.
For you.
Yeah.
I like cheese.
So what will be your overall rating of the meal? This is our first meal for the day, by the way.
I'll give it a 7. What do you give it?
Yeah, I feel like a 7.
If they had part of the drink, then I got a 9 or something.
yeah.
Sprite.
But I wonder what's the difference between the pastelitos and the empanadas though, because it's the same filling and everything.
Yeah.
I would say though, I rather the meat-filled delicacies than the cheese ones. I think I like chicken more than the beef.
Yeah.
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 I don't like the cheese.
Chicken hit the spot.
I like how it's saucy now, boy.
Yeah. Garlic sauce, boss. Yeah.
They make that garlic sauce with love. Tasting real good. So to the end of our video, guys. So if you wanna check out Criollos, you guys can and try some delicacies. They also have like desserts and stuff too. So yeah, that was it, and we're gonna just finish the remaining of this food.
Yeah.
So if you've reached this part of the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.